You go first.
I hate you. Where you been? Look, you ain't got enough. Where you been? Why you did first? What? Is that number?
Listen.
Cut me with your tongue and love me when it's over.